Good morning, everybody. Today is a great day. Today is the 29th, which means Galaxy's Edge opening day. I am just waiting for my friend Emily, Wannabemouseketeer. She is on Magical Express, ready to get over here, and then we are going to meet Tom Does Disney and Tonya, that crazy Disney lady, and we are going to be attacking Star Wars Galaxy Edge. We did not wake up this morning at 4 a.m. since we do have a reservation, I believe, at 12:30 at Olga's, so we are able to get into the park around 11, into Star Wars Galaxy Edge around 11:30. So I'm excited. I haven't even, I've been so exhausted of taking in all the magic that I've been forgetting to film my ending. So I want to thank everybody for watching the videos prior to this one. So today is day 3. Day 3, yeah. Look, so much fun. I don't even know where I'm at. So day 3, part 1. We are going to head over to the lobby and wait for Emily to get here so she can freshen up before her room's ready. I'm ready. I got my backpack packed. I got my water. We've been having a great time. Yesterday, we met up with a whole bunch of Disney friends, and it was absolutely amazing. So stay along with me for this journey. I am going to be hitting Galaxy's Edge, and then I will be heading over to Epcot. Today is the first day of the Food and Wine Festival, so I'm really excited. I've never been to one, so I'm really excited. And so follow along with day 3, part 1. It's going to be a great day. Good morning, you guys. So as I'm heading over, I'm just trying to get some shots of the gondolas, and you guys, they're so amazing. I wish that they were fully functioning right now to get on them, since I am here. So I came over by the water to check them out. It's a gorgeous day, but the humidity is kind of what kills you. I'm going to walk over this way because I have some trees in the way. You guys can't really see them that great unless I duck down. So, look at, I can't wait. It's absolutely amazing. There's Pop over there. When I was doing the resort pool, the resort tour, I forgot to I forgot to go over to the cars area, just because it was kind of a little hike from where I am right now. But I'm gonna head over so that way you guys can see it. You know, there's one thing that I love about this resort so far is that they're really proactive in the care here. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, every morning I've seen them working on whether it's changing just simple light bulbs. So, yeah, I really am impressed. Look at, here's a better view of the station where the Skyliners are going. Absolutely amazing. I'll probably go later on and get a closer view for everybody. But yeah, it looks amazing. We are over here by the Nemo family suite. It's so cute. Look at Squirt on the side. Now this is goals right there. And now I have a better view of all the gondolas coming. You guys, it's so amazing. Absolutely amazing. And when you see Pop in the far end, I'm dying to get on one of those. So, with that being said, for our upcoming trip, hopefully in December, if we drive down, well, guess where we're staying, babe? Pop Art of Animation. This is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful day today. I am like so blessed to be here again. I thank my husband for allowing me to be here by myself for these few days, because I have met so many amazing people and I have gotten a lot of content that normally I wouldn't have been able to get. The Cars family suites. I love these little signs. They're like all over the place. So cute. Has like a lot of fun facts. Make sure I don't get run over. So we are coming up on the car suites. That truck is like whipping it. So that way is to the big blue pool. And here are the Cars family suites. You guys, this resort is like huge. Like, I just love the grounds. I love the artwork. I mean, you can't go wrong. I love it. Lower your RPMs, man. The upkeep here is like amazing. I mean, this is considered a value resort, but I'm sorry, Disney. Then you need to step up your game at the All-Stars. Look at the artwork on the buildings. Just even the artwork on the buildings has its own little storyline, which is so adorable. So we are gonna head over so you guys can see the Cozy Cone pool. It's so adorable. Going over to the Cozy Cone. It's a nice day. The sun's not that bad. It's the humidity that kills you. It's like, whoa. We're here on Route 66, guys. Organic fuel, man. Here's Fillmore. Look at that. I love this section. I think this has to be one of my absolutely favorite sections, you guys. Look at the pool. Hello. How cute is that? You can't get any cuter than this, you guys. Do you want to stay over at the Cozy Cone? I'm gonna go in and give you guys a tour because it's so adorable. And there's nobody here. Look at how cute these are. So you got like a little cabana with like 2 little cones here. How cute is that? His job is golden right now because there's nobody here. Oh, I need some coffee, you guys. It is a beautiful day right now over at the Cozy Cone as we are in Radiator Springs. There's Luigi's. I don't want to film down because there's somebody I don't know there. Yes, Tonya's here.
Hi.
There's Tom.
So,
We're headed into Olga's. Detail here, you guys. This is like so good. Look at you guys. This is like amazing. You can't get over this. I'm so cheesy. Look at my cheese. You guys, we are in Batu. Look at this. Oh.
Look at the bins.
Look at. You guys, this is like craziness.
How was your flight? Long? Yeah. I did it like 27 hours.
Oh my god, you guys. It's like seriously.
You didn't sleep on the flight? I'm so excited. Oh my god. I've done that trip to Europe and back. Yeah. I mean, it was like a 12-hour flight. And I just slept the whole
This is amazing. Look at. Like, who would have thought I'd be here for a Star Wars Galaxy's Edge? Like, this is too much. Hey! Hello!
You're all right. We're all trying to do the same thing.
Nike Spark, right?
Alright guys, so we are here. Tom got some action of Chewy. So head over to Tom. That Tom does Disney. This is amazing. There goes Chewy. Oh my god, this is amazing. You guys, check this out.
Oh, yeah, of course. Why? They had a master plan. Yeah.
This looks so much better in person.
Troopers over here. You guys, this is amazing. Like Disney at its best. Can you say amazing? This is absolutely amazing.
Listen, I know how to take pictures.
We're in a whole nother world.
Yeah.
All right. Wow.
Taking them in. This is amazing.
Just get large. What time for fast pass?
That's amazing.
It really is.
It's my favorite thing to do whenever I see him.
Oh my god, is that Thomas Disney?
This is it.
No! Are you serious?
Yeah, that's boarding.
Right here, you
Holy
get into the
That's so exciting!
Alright, you guys go first. You guys haven't written yet.
Yeah, like. And you can take your phone. Yeah.
Alright, you can come on and go explore, go check out.
Thank you. Wow, you guys, check this out. This is amazing. You guys, we walked right on, and there's a 180-minute wait. I'm waiting for my turn. The single rider line for me was literally walking on. It was absolutely amazing. Bye guys, happy flying. This is incredible, you guys.
Takes you to the planet Gorelia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Because he uses the gun over. Look.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is ready. Keep shooting. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Die. Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species clinging to the hull. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Looking beautiful.
Thank you. You know, it's very helpful for missions. Should I be talking to you, though? Can I trust you?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is this a disguise, or do you support the First Order?
It's just a disguise.
Okay, I'll be watching you.
Okay. Guys, we are out of Galaxy's Edge with Emily. We got on Smuggler's Run in 3 minutes, solo rider on opening day. So I am going to end day 3, part 1 now, and enjoy my afternoon with Em. And then probably head back to the hotel for a swim and start part 2 later this evening. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.